अगेन कुछ बहुत नए नाम, कुछ बहुत पुराने नाम, और गुड टू सी यू ऑल। जो लोग बहुत पुराने हैं और फिर आए हैं दोबारा मेरे पास, कंग्रेचुलेशंस। बहुत हिम्मत है, यू पीपल आर सर्वाइविंग मी फॉर सो लॉन्ग। एक बार सुनने के बाद फिर भी हिम्मत है आपके अंदर दोबारा मेरे पास आके सुनने की, तो भाई बड़ी हिम्मत चाहिए उसके लिए। उनके लिए तो बहुत ही बहुत मुबारकबाद है। जस्ट अ सेकेंड प्लीज। और जो लोग नए आए हैं आज पहली बार, उनको बहुत बहुत वेलकम है उनका हम तक पहुंचने के लिए। गुड। सो ये प्रोग्राम अब इस बार मेरा ख्याल है ये 10th प्रोग्राम है कविता।
Yes.
Yeah, this is the 10th program that we are doing, which means for the last we started it in COVID, in the lockdown। 12 महीने पहले हम 12 महीने पहले हमने स्टार्ट किया था इस प्रोग्राम को। और थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर बीइंग हियर। Okay, now I can see some of our clients from outside India, so which means I have to come to my English language. All right. So to survive for 10 months or 10 programs, you have survived, I have survived, we all have survived. Excellent thing to do. But every time what I do is I pick up a topic. कोई टॉपिक पिक कर लेती हूँ मैं, and then I start talking about it. This is the time I thought I would ask you people, what is it that you want to hear today? आप बताइए क्या सुनना चाहते हैं आप लोग। आज किस टॉपिक पे बात करें? आज एक टॉपिक आप लोग मुझे दीजिए, टॉपिक पे हम लोगों की वार्तालाप होगी। बताइए, एनीबडी? कविता, जस्ट लुक इनटू द चैट रूम।
Yeah, so I have two questions already, but let's wait for this group.
So in the meantime, why don't you ask me the question which is already with you? We'll answer that and then we will talk about other.
Sure. So the first question is, how do we decide who has come in our life to stay and who will leave?
Well, nobody has come in your life to stay. That is for sure. There is not a single relationship on this earth which does not have an expiry date. ठीक है? कोई भी ऐसा रिश्ता हमारी लाइफ में नहीं है जिसकी एक एक्सपायरी डेट नहीं होती। We all are here with expiry dates. Only problem is we do not know when that expiry date will come. तो किसी ना किसी वजह से रिश्तों में आपको सेपरेशन आएगा ही आएगा। So even if you have a daughter, she'll get married, she'll go somewhere else. Unfortunately, हम लोगों का association है that if somebody leaves our life and when somebody is separated, it is a very bad thing to happen. It is a very negative thing to happen. क्योंकि हमने एसोसिएशन कर लिया है सेपरेशन का विद पेन. That is what our association is now. Separation means pain. And because we have that association, हमारे फोल्डर में वो एसोसिएशन है, that is the only reason why to us separation is a very bad thing. बहुत बुरी चीज है, कितनी गंदी बात है सेपरेशन. Everything is there for an expiry date. So जब तक कोई चीज आपके पास है, कोई रिश्ता आपके पास है, enjoy it or live it to the fullest. पर अगर वो आपको कष्ट दे रहा है, तकलीफ दे रहा है वो रिश्ता, तो कोशिश करिए रिश्ते से समझ जाइए कि अब एक्सपायरी डेट आ गई है.
English, please.
या बट मेरे पास हिंदी वाले भी बहुत लोग हैं, तो मैं दोनों तरह से बोल रही हूँ. सो व्हेनेवर, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम ट्रांसलेटिंग हिंदी इंग्लिश बोथ. So we definitely should know this thing. We should be ready for this thing, that whenever somebody is, any relationship has started giving you pain, in spite of your trying to work on that relationship, time for that relationship to go. But please, किसी भी रिश्ते को खत्म करने से पहले चेक, इस रिश्ते ने आपको क्या सिखाया. चेक दैट. बिकॉज जब तक आप किसी रिश्ते से जो सिखा रहा है, whatever the it is teaching you, till it is not complete, till the lesson is not complete, somebody else exactly वैसा ही आ जाएगा आपकी लाइफ में आपको सिखाने के लिए. एक्सपायरी डेट तो है ना. आप कभी भी, यू नो, टू पीपल हु लव देमसेल्व्स मोस्ट, लैला और मजनू भी मरे थे तो एक संग नहीं मरे थे, अलग अलग मरे थे, है ना. तो जब डेथ भी होती, इवन इफ द डेथ इज द एक्सपायरी डेट, देन ऑल्सो इट्स नेवर टुगेदर. You know, we do a lot of work with past life regressions and other type of lot of work we do, and many times we have seen there have been cases where people die in the war. जो लड़ाई हो रही होती है मैदानों में, उसमें लोगों की डेथ होती है, और तब तो बहुत सारे लोग एक संग मरते हैं, है ना. एंड देन people who are born after that war, जिनका रीबर्थ होता है, वो बहुत कष्ट में रहते हैं. जानते हैं क्यों? वाई? क्योंकि जब उनका दोबारा जन्म होता है तो उनके अंदर सिर्फ अपनी एनर्जी नहीं होती है, और बाकी लोगों की जो डेथ होता है, कोई किसी के ऊपर डेड बॉडी गिर रही है, कोई दो एक संग मर रहे हैं, कोई एक दूसरे के संग मर रहे हैं, वो इतनी इंटरमिंगल सबकी एनर्जीज हो जाती है कि दैट पर्सन हैज नो कंट्रोल ऑन हिज करंट लाइफ. और वो उसकी लाइफ में वो एक चीज के लिए अभी ये सोचेगा, 2 सेकंड में he'll think about something else, then he'll think about something else. There is so much of confusion in his life, because उसके अंदर बहुतों की एनर्जी होती है, वो सबके थॉट्स कैच करता रहता है. सो हमारे पास जब वो इस तरह से बहुत कंफ्यूज लोग आते हैं, तो हमारा पहला काम होता है, देखो कहाँ एनर्जी इतनी इंटरमिंगल्ड है, इनको अलग अलग कर दो. सो डाइंग अलोन इज द बेस्ट थिंग. Okay, it's a good thing to die alone, on your own. So we all have this facility. आगे पीछे लोग होते जाएंगे, सेपरेशन के संग पेन, इसको हटा दो. आपके बच्चे हैं, बड़े होंगे, शादी करेंगे, जाएंगे. There is nothing you can do about it. They will go, they have to go, but we have associated it with our pain. Okay, so what is there to stay, what is to go. अगर आपको कोई रिश्ता बहुत परेशान कर रहा है, somebody is really troubling you in life, वो जो लेसन सिखा रहा है उसको सीख लीजिए, वो चला जाएगा. That's the best way. जो लोग आपको तकलीफ दे रहे हैं उनको अपनी जिंदगी से हटाने का लेसन लर्न करिए, they will go away. Everyone in your life, whether he is there to stay or he is there to go, is here to teach you a lesson. A learning complete करवानी है आपको आपके बारे में, so that you evolve, because that's the only reason why we take birth, to evolve. Imagine जब हम लोग आदिम टाइम पे जाति में थे और एनिमल्स थे, अगर वो लोग पैदा ही नहीं होते तो हम इवॉल्व होकर आज ह्यूमंस नहीं बनते, है ना. तो हमारा काम है, वी हैव टेकन बर्थ टू इवॉल्व, और इवॉल्व होने के लिए हम अपनी लाइफ में हमें टीचर्स चाहिए टू हेल्प अस, and these teachers are all the people who are there in our life, whether they teach us through pain or they teach us through love. They all are here in our lives to teach us something. So that is, all the relationship is there to stay, and all the relationship will go away the moment you finish your learning. Okay, what is next question, Kavita?
So the same person is asking, this is about a long-term thing that you're saying, like, but then how does this person decide even before starting a relationship, like which one to keep and which one to let go?
Even before starting, whoever is this person, if this person is from India, we had a very beautiful movie called of Shah Rukh Khan, where he is a therapist and Alia Bhatt is a student. I don't remember the name of the movie.
Dear Zindagi.
Dear Zindagi, yes. In this, Shah Rukh Khan says, even if you have to buy a chair, try it. Buy the chair after trying it. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? ट्राई करने में क्या बुराई है? ट्राई कर लो, बैठ के देखो. 4 चेयर्स पे बैठोगे, देन यू विल नो व्हिच इज द चेयर व्हिच गिव्स यू द मोस्ट आराम. सो प्लीज गो अहेड, बी ओपन. Be open to let everyone come in your life. As I said, everyone will only come, anyone will only come in your life if you have some karmic tie-up. He has to teach you something or you have to teach them something. Both ways, okay? जिसके आप टीचर हो वो आपका टीचर भी है. So without fear, डरो मत, surrender. जैसे ही कोई लाइफ में आए, okay, God has sent him, he will teach me something. Some people will come and go away in 2 days, some people will take 20 days, 2 years, 20 years, I don't know, but try. So, which means don't reject. Anybody who comes in your life comes for a reason, don't reject them. Okay? Yeah.
So next question is, how do I calculate how much emotional and physical investment should I do in a relationship that started with a deal?
इन्होंने पूछा ये क्वेश्चन.
Anonymous.
Anonymous. So how much you should invest in your emotions and how much you should invest physically in a relationship. First of all, please remember one thing: we do not invest anything in anybody unless it is to our benefit. होता ही नहीं है ऐसा, अर्थ का करिकुलम में ये है ही नहीं. We only invest in ourselves. I said, any relationship, whether you invest emotionally or you invest physically or you invest financially or you invest time, every relationship in your life has come to evolve you. So whatever you are investing in your own self. How much you want to invest in yourself emotionally, how much you want to invest in yourself physically or economically or time wise, you decide. Nobody can decide for you. But yes, how do you know enough is done? दो चीजें होंगी. It will start giving you pain. Your investment of time, energy or money will start giving you pain. When it starts giving you pain, be sure enough has happened. But try to learn through it why the pain, what the pain, and what is the pain teaching you. अपने आप इन्वेस्टमेंट बंद हो जाएगी. आप इवॉल्व हो जाओगे, इन्वेस्टमेंट बंद हो जाएगी. इट्स अ वेरी ब्यूटिफुल ऑटोमेटिक सिस्टम. बट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, यू आर इन्वॉल्विंग, यू आर इन्वेस्टिंग इन योरसेल्फ. यू आर नॉट इन्वेस्टिंग इन एनी रिलेशनशिप. बिलीव मी, यू, हमें लगता है, इवन पेरेंट्स थिंक दैट वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग टाइम, एनर्जी एंड मनी इन आवर चिल्ड्रन. प्लीज रिमेंबर, हम अपने बच्चों में कुछ इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं, जीरो करते हैं. क्योंकि हम जो भी चीज इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं, whether it is time, it is energy, it is money, whatever we are investing, we are investing for our own happiness. If it will not give you the happiness, even if they are your children, you will not invest anything. So may I request everyone to please mute their own devices. Thank you so much. ठीक है. So all the investment is for you. हमें मजा आता है बच्चों को कहने में, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए इतनी मेहनत की, मैंने तुम्हारे लिए, I used to go in the morning, I used to come back in the evening, I did not eat anything, I did everything for you, I kept every penny for you. Yeah, it's very easy for us to say that, but do we really do it? No. If somehow we don't get happiness out of it, we will never invest in that. So if your daughter wants to become a doctor, you will invest. But if she wants to go to the pubs and clubs and spoil her life, जिससे कि आपको पेन होगी, आप इन्वेस्ट नहीं करोगे. तो इन्वेस्ट, उसको तो खुशी मिल रही है ना पब क्लब में जाके. She loves drinking, she loves dancing, but you are not happy, so you will not pay her the money for that. You will not invest time, you will not invest emotion, you will not invest money, nothing you will invest, because it is not giving you happiness, it is giving her only happiness, right? So we only and only invest in ourselves. We never invest for others. We think so, but that's not the truth. Yeah.
Next question.
Yeah, Kavita.
So Hema is saying, hello, don't know if this is a valid question to ask her, but when somebody leaves us, souls take rebirth, but then when we want to connect with them, in bracket through channels, How's that possible?
Oh, come again, Kavita. I didn't understand your question.
When somebody leaves us, they take a rebirth and then they are away, like, you know. But then if you want to connect to them through channels, how is that possible? Can we connect
Oh,
to them through
how do you
channels?
connect? Okay, so you are trying to say that people who do channeling, how does it work? Is she wanting to
Yes,
ask that? How does
yes,
it
because
work with the past?
she's saying the soul has already taken a rebirth and now we are connecting. How are we actually connecting to that person?
You are not connecting to them. You are connecting to that part of theirs which is still stuck with you. देखिए, let me explain it this way, Hema. When you meet somebody, you see only that two physical bodies are meeting. That's all we see, right? But that is the physical body that can be seen. But other than that, हमारी 6 और सूक्ष्म शरीर और subtle bodies are there. They also meet. Our aura meets, your mind meets, your emotions communicate, astral body meets, causal body meets, all 6, and the soul connection is there. When this happens, many times lot of their energy is with us. We keep it. वो लोग वो एक दूसरे से अटैच हो जाती है. Okay, that is the reason. अगर somebody whom you love a lot and उनकी बहुत सी energy आपके अंदर है, even if the person is not there, you miss them a lot. Sometimes you really feel that person is sitting next to you. Sometimes you go to the market and you say, I felt that person walking from here. आपको क्या है? आपको लगता है वो वाकई वो इंसान की फिजिकल बॉडी है? नहीं, वो उसका ऑरा है जो आपके संग जुड़ा हुआ है और आपको अक्सर आपके सामने दिख जाता है. इसलिए we miss people when they are not with us. जिसके संग जितनी अटैचमेंट होगी उसकी बाकी के सूक्ष्म शरीर की एनर्जी उतनी हमारे अंदर आ जाएगी. As much you are attached to the person, their subtle body's energy will be in you a lot and you will miss them a lot. Okay, the same thing happens now. The person is dead, but a lot of his energy or her energy is with you. That and every energy and every cell of its energy has its own intelligence. It has its own memory. हम सब students, we all are science students sitting here. Every cell has its own nucleus. They have their own energies. They have their own memories. And therefore, when we connect, when we say we are connecting to the soul, we are connecting to that part of their soul or their energies or their mind, subconscious mind, which is attached with you. And from there you get your answers. That's what we say channeling is. Okay?
Perfect. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Hema. Yeah, Kavita, any other question?
Yes, so I now have certain questions in the chat box. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Sorry, can I continue with that question?
Yeah, sure.
For a
Any
little bit
time.
more.
No,
You
go
know,
ahead.
yes, like in that Surviving Death, the Netflix that program, right? So they're connecting to their fathers or whoever their loved ones who have passed away through channels, through messengers, or I'm not sure what they call them. But they take how we know and our culture and I think science, they take rebirth. So at that time, I mean, if they've taken rebirth, we're still connecting, like we're connecting to their subconscious, like who's
There, that part of energy which is still with you.
okay.
So when people die, their complete soul and mind, the spirit, soul and mind together are known as spirit.
Mm-hmm.
Complete spirit does not go across the bardo. Bardo is that line which takes you, which differentiates, which segregates the metaphysical world and the physical world. Okay, it's called bardo. It's a Tibetan word. The complete spirit does not go there. Only that part of the spirit goes which has kriya in it, where there is no emotion. The moment there is emotion in your work, it becomes karma. Karma part doesn't go. So a lot of their part, which is karma, which is emotions, is under the bardo. So when we do channeling, unki energy is with you. Say, supposing unki little part of energy is with you, 1% is, if it is with you. A lot of their energy is under the bardo also. Okay. Now, whatever is under the bardo, that energy and the energy with you have the same frequency. It matches.
Mhm.
You connect to that karma part of theirs.
Okay.
You don't
Okay.
connect to the kriya part. Kriya part is where you do something without any emotions. That's why we all say, do a thing and surrender. That's why it was told, Krishna said, karmanyevadhikaraste, ma phaleshu kadacha. Results attach mato. Only do the work. The moment you attach with the results, your emotions are in it. Your expectations are there. And then it becomes karma. Karma will not cross the bardo.
Okay.
So you connect with that part of this. The rebirth is taken by that part of the soul which has already gone to the bardo. वो अपना खेल चला रही है.
Mhm. Okay. Okay.
जो रह गई energy, you connect with that.
Mhm. Fabulous.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
may I?
Thank you.
May,
Yes.
may I?
Thank you.
Can I just adding to this question?
Yes,
I
Rita.
am a live example who is connecting with someone who's no more in this world. But hearing you, I feel can it connect with us through another living person? That's what is happening with me.
So can you give me an example? I did not get your question, Rita.
I'll just try to, I don't know how to put it in words because it's
Tell
such an intense thing, but somebody who's no more in this world,
Yes.
I am connecting to that soul
Yeah.
virtually every day.
Yeah.
And, you know, it's coming through a person who knew nothing about that soul at all.
Yeah.
But when that soul connects, you know, she tells me all those things which she is not aware of, but certainly that soul was.
Yeah.
So what I'm trying to say is, how does it, the manifestation happens through living beings around? I don't know whether I've been able to convey
No,
what
it's
I'm
very
trying to
clear.
say,
I'll
but
explain you. I'll give you a very beautiful example of my own, because
Okay.
it is safest to give your own examples. So when my mom died, she knows I do mind work. She knew it very well, and she connected to a lady in Mumbai who
Mhm.
also does soul talks and soul work, and she does a lot of ancestors healing. And so my mother, once she was in her class, she was teaching, and suddenly my mother's energy appeared there. And she told her that, listen, my daughter, she's also doing something what you do. She is in India, she is in Delhi, and this is her name. And I want to speak, tell her, I want to speak to her. And there is something, 1, 2, 3 points she told that girl, lady, which only me and my sisters, we know it. Nobody else knew it. It was very much a family thing, hush hush thing in the family. So she said, I want to talk to her, so you tell her. Now this lady, she worked very hard, went on the Google, internet, then she spoke to some of my students in Delhi that there is this lady, her name is Nirja Handa, and she is doing mind work. And I've got a message for her. So when then this girl asked, Auntie, why are you giving me the message when you say your daughter is also doing the spirit work? Mind work, why do you want? She says, because my daughter has closed the doors to talk to the soul. She does not do the soul work. And which is true. In spite of all the work that I know what to do, I am technically qualified, I don't do soul talks, because I believe that souls are supposed, there was a choice of the soul to leave the world, the earth. They have left it. Why should we get in touch? Very rare, very, very rare I do the soul work. Either the person has some questions desperately disturbing them who are on the earth, then I make them do. Or एक दो बार किसी को कोई चाबी नहीं मिल रही, कुछ नहीं हो रहा, something or some issue with the property. They were very, very poor people. They really needed to know where the, whatever you call, written nominee papers were lying. So that's the only time, very rare, I do soul talk. I don't believe in disturbing souls, so I don't do it. And my mother said, because she has closed all the channels to talk to the soul, so please go and tell her I want to speak to her, there is something important I have to tell. So if our channels are not open, or we don't want to open by choice or by lack of knowledge, then the souls connect with people who are more open to it. And that's how they will take somebody else's energy and they will talk to you through them. That's what is happening.
Thank you. But it's exactly like that. Yeah.
That's how it happens. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yes, Neha is asking a question. I can see a hand raised, but Kavita, if you have a question, you can ask related to this.
Ma'am, can I ask now or is somebody else asking?
No, you can.
You can,
Yeah.
Sneh.
Yeah, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Ma'am, like for example, you said that when the soul leaves the earth, right? So in our Hindus, we do the Barvi and the Tervi. So by then, like slowly, the each and every essence and each and everything is leaving the earth.
True.
But then how do some fragments or some things remain back? Like I'm a little bit confused about this, ma'am.
All that has too heavy emotions will not cross the bardo, Sneh.
So ma'am, then how will the soul who has left be complete? Like how will it be in integrity and how will it be complete?
So soul, whatever part of your soul goes across the bardo, there all the energy of the soul, it's only energy. All the energy of the souls, they get collected, they become one, because soul believes in oneness. So once you cross the metaphysical world, across the bardo, you are one. You all this, souls get together. And then there is no soul of Sneh, no soul of Nirja, no soul of Kavita.
Okay, ma'am.
They all get together. Kabhi aata mala hai aapne?
Ji, ma'am. Aji mala.
So, okay. So let me give you people example from this. When aata jab aap malte hain, when there is
Ji.
so much of flour over there, you pull out whatever you need. You take out one peda and
Ji.
then put the filling that you want to eat the paratha of.
Ji, ma'am.
Right? You want to eat aloo ka paratha, you put aloo in it. You want to eat gobi, you put gobi. Whatever you want, you put it in that flour and you create a pancake out of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? When we come on the earth, we come from the same flour. Malawata. Niche, once you come on the earth, you cross the bardo to come down. That's when you start deciding what paratha I want to eat in this lifetime. And then you put the filling accordingly.
Oh.
Now
I
you
get-
consume all your, so you have put aloo, you have put gobi, whatever you have put, you consume it on the earth when you are at the earth curriculum. And then when you go back there,
Yeah.
then the atta will go back to the atta. Then you can't make out which atta had aloo, which atta had gobi in it. It's all one.
Oh.
That's why we
Yes.
say soul is one. My soul, your soul, Modi's soul, Trump's soul, sab ek hai.
Yes, ma'am. I get it now, ma'am. One more thing I would like to share, ma'am, with your permission.
Yeah, sure.
Actually, ma'am, it's not like, I don't know, you may find it funny or what, I don't know. When Sushant Singh had died,
Yeah.
he connected me 2 to 3 times.
Yeah.
And all 2 to 3 times I got a dream, he met me on the terrace.
Yeah.
And terrace पे मिलके he was trying to say something और इतने में मैं अगर वो साइड जा रही हूँ तो गायब हो जाता था. फिर later on we got to know कि शायद उसका murder terrace पर ही हुआ. Then I could connect कि oh yeah, that's the reason why his soul was connecting, because I was thinking a lot about him.
If you're thinking, what are you doing?
I'm inviting him.
No. Your part of your consciousness is his consciousness.
Oh yeah.
You are incomplete.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is what I'm saying. Na, ki when you connect with people whom you love, you do not only connect from the physical point of view. You have other body parts. Your consciousness is in him. And
Yes,
because his now what is happening? The whole world is talking different things about Sushant.
Yes.
Somebody saying it's murder, somebody saying no, it was suicide, somebody said no, it was overdose, somebody said
वाली सरकार है ना,
कौन?
आयुर्वेद की सरकार,
हम्म
they are going to air shopping.
thank you. Kavita, please mute everyone. Except
All are
me.
muted just at a time. कुछ का.
Everyone except me. All right. Now what is happening, Sneh? All of these, so your consciousness is there. Everybody has their own thoughts, their own ideas, how he died. You are
Yes.
connecting to each of them because you are in his consciousness. So you are thinking about Sushant. Your consciousness is Sushant's energy. I'm also thinking of him. I'm thinking he's murdered. My consciousness is there. My thoughts are in his consciousness. Kavita is thinking, no, he committed suicide. The thought, Kavita's thought consciousness is also in him. You don't
Yes,
know
ma'am.
which one you're catching.
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
You get my point. So this is what has been happening when with people who are celebrities when they die. Or where is your consciousness? You pull your consciousness from him, you will not even once even dream about Shashant.
Yes, ma'am. After later on, I did that only. Then I stopped dreaming or anything.
Yes. Pull your consciousness out. Wherever you don't want, whatever is disturbing you, pull out your consciousness from there.
And ma'am, it's okay, no? Like if any
Remember,
relations.
your thoughts are electromagnetic in nature. They have magnet in it. Your magnet will catch attract other magnet.
Yeah, and ma'am, it's okay, no? If people like if our own relatives, our own blood relations wants to be distant, so it's okay. We should let them be, right?
Yeah, expiry date has come. Let them go. Why are you
Yeah.
sticking to it?
Because my sister, she's being distant from me from 1 year, and she's come to Mumbai also. She's being distant. So like I have come to that understanding that it's okay. I should give her space. Whenever she wants to connect, she will connect.
So this surrender part,
Hmm.
this acceptance of your sister the way she is what she's teaching you.
Yes,
Not
ma'am.
to be attached.
Yes, ma'am.
वो से निकलो, वो सिखा रही है. She's teaching you that. Once
Yes.
you will learn it properly, without judging her, without complaining about her like this, she will come back to you.
Yes, ma'am. And उस वक्त क्या होता है? Then we are actually very much evolved. तो हमें it doesn't matter.
Nobody is evolved very much, Sneh. Let me tell you. Every
ma'am,
day in the morning we get up, we start evolving. By the time night comes, that part is evolved. Something else will come up which needs to be evolved. Point is
No.
this, you have to be in acceptance.
Yeah, ma'am, but whenever I get very attached, no, and all these things happen, तो जब मुझे वो चीज की जरूरत नहीं होती है, तब वो return आती है.
Correct.
तो then उस वक्त
Attachment
मैं
खत्म हो
बोलती
गया
हूँ,
ना?
जी मैम.
Attachment खत्म हो जाएगा.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
खत्म हो
ma'am.
जाएगी, तो आ
Yes,
जाएगी.
ma'am.
See, we do not understand, Sneh. रिश्ते needs के संग नहीं जिए जाते. I need this relation. I need this relationship. I need this. It doesn't work.
Yes, ma'am.
If it is here, very good. If it is not here, I'm still very good. The moment you reach to that state, then the right thing will come to you.
Yes,
Need के संग जब हम करते हैं तो जो चीज हमारे things which are not good for us, we attract that also.
Exactly, ma'am. Yes, I completely resonate. And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Love you. Thank you so
Most
much.
of us जो
Yes.
हैं, most of us what we do is we attract relations with the need, on the base of need. I need it. I need a friend. I need a father. I need a marriage. I need a relationship. Where is the need coming from? The moment the need will go away, that relationship will come to you.
Thank you, ma'am. And it's a pleasure, ma'am, listening to you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You
Love
are
you.
welcome. More than welcome, Sneh. More than welcome. Yeah, Kavita, any other questions?
Yes. So Shruti is asking, ma'am, how to overcome from loneliness.
How to overcome from loneliness? Simply thing is, what is loneliness to you? When you are, if you think when you are lonely, when you're alone, then you feel lonely. Alone hona is an event. To feel lonely is a emotion or a reaction or a perception. तो जब आप, when you're alone, you can do two things. Everybody has, you can think it both ways, because we live on this earth with duality. Okay, so what can you do? I am alone, nobody is with me, I am lonely. Definitely you'll feel lonely. Change the thought process, change the perception. I am alone with my own self. So where are you alone? You are with your own self. You will never feel lonely. Lonely does not mean you are with nobody else. Lonely means you are with your own self. The day you will start loving yourself, the day you will start loving your own company, you will stop feeling lonely. You only feel lonely when you don't love yourself, you don't accept yourself, you don't enjoy your own company. But if you don't enjoy your company, कोई और तुम्हारी company कैसे पर enjoy करेगा? Just imagine what type of company you are if you don't enjoy your own company. So what is that part of you that you do not enjoy? Check. Usko change kar lo. Once you change that part of you that you don't enjoy, start loving it. First change it. Learn your lesson. What is it teaching you? Change it. And then you will see, you'll start loving your own company. And then you will never be, ever be lonely in your life. Never. Okay. So loneliness is a perception. It is not an event. Okay. Love yourself. No? देखो तुम्हें तुम्हारा कौन सा हिस्सा अच्छा नहीं लगता. For example, supposing I'm very judgmental about somebody. Say Kavita. Supposing I'm very judgmental about Kavita. And I know I don't have to be judgmental, but I am. Everybody has come and told me, ma'am, you are very judgmental. Ma'am, you are very judgmental with her. So after some time, I start believing also, I know it also that I am judgmental for Kavita. But I do not know how to change myself. So you don't have to be judgmental. You do not like that part of yours which is very judgmental about Kavita. And if I don't like that part of mine, which is judgmental about Kavita, I will stop liking my own company. I would want somebody else to sit with me, which will not remind me that I am very judgmental. Okay. And therefore I need company. Otherwise you don't need company. If you're good, you don't feel lonely. You're happy with your own company. You know, when you learn to start enjoying your own thoughts. I have so many of my students who come to me in the first level, second level, loneliness, this, that, so many problems. And after some time, once their levels 1, 3, 4, 5 are done, then they come, ma'am, I don't want to be with people. I'm so happy with myself. I'm so contented in my own company. I thoroughly enjoy myself. Nasha hai mujhe. I am, I have had a drink as if, or I have had something so that itna surur hai, I'm thoroughly enjoying myself. So this can happen. Madhuri, Sarda, thank you so much. I just saw what you wrote here. Liked it.
It was words. Sorry disturbing you.
No, not at all. I was telling Kavita, it's been quite some time I haven't seen Madhuri in any of the programs. Where has she disappeared?
I'll tell you about it. But ma'am, please continue. It was really amazing. I could not resist complimenting it.
All right. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. So my students, they start loving their company, that they start telling me, you know what, I love to sit on my own. Everybody in the family says you had been going out, you were this, you were that. What is wrong with you? But ma'am, I love it. Now what is happening when they've evolved, they've worked on themselves, they've started liking and loving their own company. Many of them would be sitting here in the chat box. They can say if it has happened to them. It happens. You love yourself. Okay. Yeah, I think you said the name was of the person who asked this question. Shruti, yeah. Okay.
The next one is from Dr. Anju Mahal. She writes, talk on values, ethics to be in education system.
Kavita,
why
you have to come closer to the mic, or should I come closer to the speaker?
Yeah, so am I audible now?
Very well.
Okay. Talk on values, ethics to be in education system. Why teachers are suffering financially in this COVID-19 times?
First of all, Anju, it's not only the teachers who are uh, mm, uh, suffering financially. This is a thought, because maybe you have environment where you have a lot of teachers. People from other aspect of life are also uh, mm, uh, experiencing this financial issues. Point is, in fact, teachers are still getting 50%. Somewhere teachers have changed their strategy, and the ones who have changed their strategy and have started teaching online are doing pretty well. You know, I stay in a society over here in Noida, and every day in our society I see women putting up we have a WhatsApp group of the whole society ladies, where they are saying, I teach second class, I teach fourth class, I teach this online. They are teaching and they're doing well. Flexibility. जो लोग कोविड में फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं हो रहे हैं, they are suffering. People who are ready to change according to the need of the time are not suffering. COVID has come to teach us flexibility. So COVID says simply, be flexible, be in acceptance is what is ever is happening around you. अकड़ोगे तो मुर्दा हो जाओगे, क्योंकि केवल मुर्दा अकड़ता है, वो फ्लेक्सिबल नहीं होता. जब हम जी रहे हैं, if we have prana, till you have prana, you are movable, flexible. That's what COVID is teaching everyone. So there are many teachers. Change. Why get stuck? I can only teach 10th class, I can only teach 4th class. Change. Find another ways. There are many ways that you can do to, and this is for not only teachers, for everyone. Secondly, Hamari, in the last many years, in the last 25, 30 years, or maybe around 40, 50 years, people have stopped living with need. They have started living with greed. And Corona did that to us. It brought us back to the need. Jitni zarurat hai utna lo. वो हमें, it is taking us out of the greed, because greed की energy बहुत heavy energy होती है. And it is so heavy, and it, therefore this energy of greed makes everything very karmic. इतनी heavy energy के संग रहेंगे तो कैसे बारडो छोड़ के we will go on the other side of the metaphysical world? We will not be able to. And therefore, it's teaching us all to live with the need. And there are people who are doing very well. Change. जो लोग change कर गए, वो बढ़िया जी रहे हैं कोविड में भी. जो लोग केवल fear के संग बैठे हुए हैं, they are suffering. कोविड तो डराने आया है, डर गए तो गए. जो डर गया सो मर गया. गब्बर कितने साल पहले कह गया था. So डरो मत. Okay? The time has come. Change. See what is it teaching you. हमें क्या सीखना है कोविड से? अपनी अपनी लर्निंग कंप्लीट करो. Yeah? Is that clear, Anju? Or is there any further question? You want more clarification? Dr. Anju Mahal? All right. Next, Kavita. Yeah.
Yes, thanks, ma'am. Okay, so the next one is from, one second, Dr. Anju Mahal herself.
Yeah.
Sometimes we know that partner is cheating you or cheated you for years, and love, attachment, emotions dies within. But for kids, what a lady should do as kids need father, but lady needs, that is incomplete.
So there are many things, Anju, which I will answer. I know it is not a very popular answer. जो लोग बहुत फेमिनिस्ट हैं उनको मेरा ये आवाज आंसर बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. But I can tell you what to do. That I can tell you. Anybody in your life will only cheat you if you have cheated either somebody else in your life or you have cheated your own self. Okay? Then the cheating gets into your aura. When the cheating gets into your aura, you only and only attract people who will cheat on you. Now, this is not necessarily cheating in relationships. Sometimes we cheat ourselves so much. We cheat ourselves so much that it's not funny. For example, अगर आप केवल relationship देखें, बाकी सब छोड़ दीजिए. Let's only look at the relationship. Many times, before you get married to a person, universe gives you an indication no. तो शादी के ठीक पहले बीमार हो जाएंगे, गिर जाएंगे, चोट लग जाएगी, कोई आके आपको बोलेगा ये ठीक नहीं है, इस शादी में मत करो. Nothing else. You will get up in the morning and the first thought comes, what I'm getting into, yaar, I shouldn't do it. Things like these are indication from your universe. And then you say, nahi, nahi, ye sab bekar ki baat hai. I have to get married to this man. If I will not get married now, when will I get married? I am growing older, this, that, and thoughts like that. And you cheat yourself. You don't take these indications. You don't listen to it. You get married. What did you do? You cheated on yourself. And therefore, the cheat will come to you. So you will attract that. It is in your aura. So first of all, if you want to know if somebody is cheating and you don't want him to cheat, forgive yourself for cheating yourself. क्योंकि जब हम अपने को cheat करते हैं, तो हम अपने को punish करते हैं. और punishment में हम ऐसे partners attract कर लेते हैं. Right? So, forgive yourself for doing it. Next time, be very open to all the indications that you get. Okay? Listen to people. Nobody will come and tell you don't get married here. Because, yes, we feel, अरे ये चिढ़ रहा है, ये जल रहा है हमसे, ये तो चाहता ही नहीं कि मेरी शादी हो. और sometimes with the parents we feel अरे इनको तो हमारे पैसे चाहिए इसलिए they don't want to get married. हम बहुत से reasons ढूंढ लेते हैं दूसरों की बात को नहीं सुनने का. हम उस पे मनन और चिंतन नहीं करते हैं. And that is when you see these things happening in your life. So forgive yourself if you have done it. Learn a lesson for next time to listen to yourself. Next thing is what to do because of the kids. As I said, हम कोई भी काम ऐसा नहीं करते हैं बच्चों के लिए जिससे कि उनको पेन हो या हमें पेन हो. हम अपनी खुशी के लिए करते हैं. अंजू, I think in a day if I see 6 cases, out of that at least 2 cases are on relationships where kids are involved. And I always say, don't make kids your pawns. मोहरा मत बनाओ उनको, क्योंकि दिस इज हमारे अंदर की वीकनेस, हमारी अटैचमेंट, हमारे अंदर रिस्क लेने की कैपेसिटी नहीं है, हमारे अपने फियर्स हैं, हमें फाइनेंशियली यही चाहिए और वो मुझे सिर्फ हस्बैंड से मिल सकता है. ये सारी हमारे अंदर की चीजें हैं विच वी गिव इट टू आवर किड्स ऑन देयर नेम कि नहीं, बच्चों की वजह से मैं अलग नहीं हो रही. What happens with women whose husband die? They still live. Kids live. And they live without a father and they live very well. If the problem between you and your husband because he's cheating is so much that it is bringing dysfunctionality in your family, it is better to give kids single parent than to give them 2 fighting parents. Don't give them dysfunctional families. It's better be out of a relationship, move out, and don't move out with anger, don't move out with emotions. First understand his cheating, what is it teaching me? What is my lesson? Work on yourself and reach to a stage where even his cheating is not disturbing you. When the cheating is not giving you any emotion, that's the time leave the house. And you will see what a beautiful functionality you will give to your children. But हम एंगर में या तो निकलते हैं, हेट्रेड में निकलते हैं, ये हेवी इमोशंस हैं, निकल भी जाते हैं तो इमोशंस हमारे अंदर ही रह जाते हैं. And then this is exactly what we pass on not to our children. And that's when single parents की जो बच्चे होते हैं उनको problems आती हैं. अपने ऊपर काम करो. If your husband is cheated, what has it taught you? Did you ever cheat on anybody? Work on it. Forgive yourself. If anybody else has cheated on you, forgive that person first. But it's very difficult to forgive if somebody is cheating you. So first find out what is it teaching me. The moment you will understand what is it teaching you, it is easier for you to forgive the other person. Once you have done that, then you say, okay, I understand expiry date has come, time to move on. अरे भाई आप अपने बच्चे को डीपीएस में नहीं पढ़ाओगे, कोई बात नहीं, पीडीएस में पढ़ा लो. बच्चे पढ़ेंगे क्योंकि every soul brings its own destiny. Is that clear? Everyone will bring their own destiny. They will get what they have to achieve. They will reach where they have to achieve. हम पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों की सोल एनर्जी में बिल्कुल भी इंटरफेयर नहीं कर सकते हैं, वो उनकी जर्नी डिसाइडेड है. ओके, सो अपनी हिम्मत लाओ, अपने को हील करो, आपकी फैमिली वैसे ही फंक्शनल हो जाएगी, चीटिंग भी बंद हो जाएगी. द डे यू विल लर्न व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. ओके, एंड चीटिंग किसी और के संग की है तो प्लीज उसके लिए भी फॉरगिवनेस मांग लो. हैव द गट्स. यार मैंने तेरे से फला टाइम पे चीटिंग करी, बट नाउ आई हैव अंडरस्टूड it's a wrong thing, I am sorry. Do it. Cheating की एनर्जी निकाल दो अपनी लाइफ में से. Okay? Yeah, Kavita, any other question?
I guess Sneh has raised her hand again.
इसका स्नेह का. Yeah, Sneh, you want to ask a question?
No, ma'am, I want to share something. Ma'am, now you know how I see life. For example, if someone like behaves badly with me or back answers me or tries to insult or whatever, I feel मैं क्या सोचती हूँ, अरे ये मेरा ही रिफ्लेक्शन है, मैंने ऐसे किया होगा पहले.
Yeah.
और अगर
Definitely.
मुझ बहुत अच्छा चलता है वो भी मैं I thank God and I have lot of gratitude कि शायद मैं ऐसे अच्छा चली. So now I have started seeing अगर कुछ अच्छा होता है वो भी मेरा रिफ्लेक्शन है, कुछ बुरा होता है वो भी मेरा
Yeah,
रिफ्लेक्शन.
so every relation in your life is your mirror.
And ma'am, sometimes if we cannot go to the person directly and ask for forgiveness, can we ask for forgiveness?
On
even
energy level, you can do that. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you so
Definitely
much.
you can do that. Yeah.
Thank you,
Before
ma'am.
sleeping at night, think of that person, bring his image in front of your eyes, and ask for forgiveness.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
हाँ, Kavita.
Yeah, so now, first of all, Sonali, sorry to hear about your loss. She's writing, I'm Sonali, मेरे पापा 19th को expire हो गए और मैं सुरभि या घर में सब पेन में है. कुछ ऐसा है जो मैसेज आप हमें देना चाहोगे? हम 2 दिन से आपको ही याद कर रहे थे. Sonali Sethi.
Sonali Sethi. Sonali is saying she's lost her father.
Yeah.
Sonali Sethi.
Yes, ma'am. Sonali Sethi.
Sonali, you lost your dad?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
When was it?
Ma'am, on 19th March.
19th March. Interesting. Last year, 18th March, I lost my father. Exactly 1 year before that. Yeah. That's very sad. Was he unwell or what? What happened?
Oh, no, ma'am. He was absolutely fine.
Ah.
He got a silent heart attack.
Ah.
डैडी तो नहीं आ गए, बाबूजी कहाँ हैं?
So that's sorry. Really very sorry. I will remember him always. He used to organize transportation for me whenever I wanted to shift things from one place to another.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
remember him that. Okay. क्या पूछ रही हो? क्वेश्चन क्या सुना लो?
Ma'am, just any message you want to give us?
मैम दरअसल हम लोग अब तक तो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं कर पा रहे थे. आज से थोड़ा सा हम लोग को लगा है कि
Acceptance आई
एक्सेप्टेंस है,
है.
लेकिन बार बार ये लग रहा है कि वो ना इलाहाबाद गए थे और रास्ते में उनको अटैक आ गया, हम लोग उनसे मिल भी नहीं पाए, ना आखिरी टॉक हुई
So,
ना।
Surbhi and Sonali,
Yes,
both
ma'am.
of you have been with me for many years. You
Yes,
have
ma'am.
attended many of my classes also.
Yes,
So you
Yes.
have to understand it was the need, or it was the not the need, but it was the choice of the soul. One, when I die, nobody should be around me. My family should not be with me,
Yes.
because I remember your dad was very very attached to his family.
yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Just before dying, he completed that lesson of his, where he dies without anybody of his own around him. उनको ये लास्ट सीखना था, उन्होंने अपनी लर्निंग कंप्लीट करी है of being not attached with his own family. He had to learn that when he is traveling, when you are out of the house, the whole world is your own. एक ये लर्निंग थी उनकी, ये इसलिए उनकी चॉइस थी. सेकेंडली, वो आप लोगों के संग उनका कार्मिक क्लोजिंग हो गई थी. अगर कार्मिक क्लोजिंग नहीं होती तो ही वुड हैव फॉलन सिक, और आप लोगों से पूरी सेवा करा के जाते.
Okay, ma'am.
तो वो लर्निंग उनकी क्योंकि आप लोगों के संग कार्मिक रह नहीं गया था, फैमिली में किसी के संग भी लेना देना. So he just had the attack and he left. Soul said, want to leave now, so I want to leave now, period. So that was the choice of that soul.
Okay.
Now
ma'am.
this is what he's teaching you before going, to be not to be attached. Love people. We can learn to love people, but we have to learn to live them without attachments. And secondly, don't be very harsh on you. He's just left. It's not been even, say, how many days? Not even 10 days.
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So it will take time for you people to come out of it. It will take time for you. Mourn. There is no harm in mourning. When you lose somebody whom you love so much, you have the right to mourn.
Ma'am, we
Mourning
feel
करो, तकलीफ में हो, उनको याद करो, रोना आता है रो, बिल्कुल ये चीज करो, ताकि हाँ
ma'am,
बोलो.
is he around? Can he listen to us? Like, is it?
Generally, yeah, for the 13 days, it is the soul is over here all around us. But as I said, कि उनका पूरा हिस्सा तो फिर भी ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. उनका जो इमोशंस हैं वो नीचे ही रह जाते हैं बारडो के, तो उसके थ्रू वो सुनते रहते हैं. सो कृपया करके आप लोग जो सोचते हैं, जो चाहते हैं, चाहे बोलें या ना बोलें, उसमें इतनी स्वच्छता लेकर आओ, because when he is connecting with you, he should get that feeling. अगर आप बहुत अटैचमेंट, मॉर्निंग करो, प्लीज रो, जरूर रोना चाहिए, जरूर दुख मनाना चाहिए, बट आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम विद द अंडरस्टैंडिंग एंड नॉलेज दैट ही हैड टू गो. उन्होंने आपको कोई धोखा नहीं दिया है, उनको जाना था, वो चले गए हैं, एंड आई हैव टू बिड फेयरवेल टू हिम. जब आपकी शादी हुई थी सोनाली, तो डिड ही बिड यू फेयरवेल और नॉट?
Yes, ma'am.
हो रहे थे ना कि भाई मेरी बेटी की शादी हो रही, पर फिर भी मुस्कुरा रहे थे,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? That is your chance now. तकलीफ है, पेन है, सेपरेशन है, तो रो, लेकिन with the thought and feeling that he has got to his final destination. Okay, then he will get. जब आप लोग की अटैचमेंट नहीं होगी, जितनी आप लोग की अटैचमेंट कम होगी, अंडरस्टैंडिंग और नॉलेज होगी, और जितना आप उनको ब्लेस करोगे दैट आई वी अलाउ यू टू मूव ऑन, उतनी जल्दी वो बारडो की उस साइड चले जाएंगे. नहीं तो तुम अटैच रहोगी, तुम्हारे हाथ में उनकी बहुत सी एनर्जी होगी, तो वो भी स्टक रहेंगे आपके साथ. प्लीज उनकी रिलीज कर दो एनर्जी जो आपके अंदर है. सो इन योर, आप लोगों दोनों को पता है एनर्जी एक्सचेंज कैसे करते हैं. इन योर when before sleeping, you just call him, or even in the morning, you call him in your thoughts and return him all his energies that belongs to him, and you take your energy back from him so that he can easily leave the world. Okay?
Ma'am, is it possible कि अगर वो कोई मैसेज हमें देना चाहते हो कुछ, तो we can just meditate or connect with them?
नहीं, कोई जरूरत नहीं है. अगर उनको तुम्हें मैसेज देना होता तो वो सडन डेथ नहीं करते. ये उनकी चॉइस है. डोंट डिस्टर्ब द सोल.
Okay, ma'am.
वैसे भी उन्होंने जो कुछ आप लोग को पढ़ाया, सिखाया, समझाया, ये सारे मैसेजेस ही तो आएंगे. So for example, tomorrow you want to say, you want to hit your child, and you listen to your father's voice, बेटा बच्चों को नहीं मारा करो. मैसेज है.
Yes, ma'am.
Messages come through the thoughts. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So listen when the thought comes, understand करो ये मेरी आवाज है या मेरे फादर की आवाज है.
Yes.
फादर की आवाज है, ठीक लगता है तो मान जाओ, नहीं लगता है तुम्हें तो जैसे अभी तुम बहस करती थी when he was alive, तब भी करो, नहीं डैड, this is not good for her.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, please share the meeting ID. No, I didn't get it.
Yeah, so the next question is, what's the proof of Bardo being there? Shivani is asking.
क्या कह रही, जोर की बोलो.
What is the proof that Bardo is there?
Is there a proof that Bardo is there? No. People who have come back from the near-death experiences talk about it. Different people from different culture have experienced near-death experience, and they all talk about the same story. So it means, that is the only way we believe in energies can't be seen, because there is no proof that there is heat. That's energy. You have no proof कि अगर एक तार है उसके अंदर करंट बह रहा है कि नहीं, छुओगे तो पता चलेगा. खुली पड़ी हुई होगी तार तो तुम्हें नहीं पता उसके अंदर एनर्जी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मूव कर रही है कि नहीं कर रही है, राइट? सो सिमिलरली ये जो एनर्जीज हैं, जो लोग गए हैं और जिन्होंने who have come back, they have spoken about it a lot. That's how we have the whole knowledge. There are people, Shivani, ये अपनी शिवानी.
Yeah ma'am, yes ma'am, good evening.
गुड इवनिंग शिवानी जी, आप तो अभी लेवल 4 करके गई हैं ना?
हाँ जी मैम.
गुड.
5V.
4-5 भी कर लिया आपने, तो पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशंस किए हैं ना?
Yes,
so every
yes,
time
yes.
you die in a life, we do take you to the we do take your spirit to the place of overview, and we also take it to the higher self. So
Yes.
there is and the moment you reach to higher self, have you seen the change shift in your energy level?
Yes.
Have you seen that, felt it? So there are many people who have felt it, and who have experienced it. Otherwise, up in place of overview, you have a different energy, you are on a very different thought level and feeling. And the moment we take you to your higher self, your complete energy level changes. Kuch to hai, right?
Yes ma'am. Yeah, thank you.
Can I, with your permission?
Yeah.
I just want to ask, is it good to connect with souls or is it not good?
Well, soul has left the earth because of its choice. There was a reason why it left the earth. So when you are trying to connect to it, why?
No, if the soul is connecting to us. No, if that soul, if
the soul is wanting,
yes.
So do one thing. First of all, if the soul is wanting to connect to you, please ask. If there is any message, anything that you have to do it once, and I will respect it. But I request you to please go to the fourth dimension, go to the light. I will take care of myself. So for example, if I feel my mom is there all the time with me, or it took me good 2019 she expired, and I think now 2021 finally she went to the light. For all this while she's been giving me messages, and I've been feeling attached, and then there was some particular work was there, and she had right in the first time when I told you that she gave me the message through somebody, she said ye karwa ke jaungi. When I said, Mom, I'm big enough, I can take care of myself, mere bacche bade hai, I know you're very attached to them, but I'll be able to take care of them, you may leave. And she very clearly told me, no, till this work is not done, I will not go. And then actually the day it was done, again she didn't contact me in my dream, she contacted my elder sister, and to her she gave the indication, I am ready to move on to the next dimension now. And then I left her, I said, Mom, I release you, the work is done, you may please go. मैंने बांधा हुआ था या आप मुझसे बंधी हुई थी, both ways I'll be able to handle it myself now. And since then till date she has not contacted me.
Thank you very much.
So Dr. Anju says, you want to attend my sessions? Yeah, sure, Anju. There are many things we do. We teach hypnotherapy and past life regression as a course, which is for 5 levels. Level 1 and 2 is taught by Dr. Kavita Bhargav. 3 and 4 is taught by me, and and the last fifth one is taught by our director, Dr. Yuvraj Kapadia. It's a certified course, and through this course, if you work, if you study, you get a certificate. You have to practice also. All these things are to be done, but you properly get a certificate so that you can give therapies. You become a certified therapist for it. Other than this, there are some courses, there are people who do not want to become a therapist, but they definitely want to evolve their own life, work on themselves. Then for them, we do a program which is called spiritual mentoring. And if you want, we can give the details. We are still, it is done on online. So you can attend that course also. I think our hypnotherapy as a therapist, the course level 1 and 2 is happening on 2nd or 3rd of April. So sometime like that. Kavita, if you know do you remember the dates? I don't remember offhand. What are the dates when we are doing level 1 and 2?
Second and third is level 1 and post switch is level 2. Fourth,
what level 1 is?
2nd, 3rd April.
Okay. 2nd and 3rd. Yeah, okay. So the level 1 is for 2 days, level 2 is for 5 days, level 3 is also for 5 days. And if you people need, please write down your name over here and Kavita will send you people the details. And we keep doing it. Okay, we do it online, we do it offline. Online thoda bhi ruka hua hai kuch samay ke liye, but still, if somebody is really keen, yeah. Yeah, Sakshi Gulati, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Very, very good, Sakshi. Where have you been?
Long time. And now looking at you, like it's a blessing today that I am sitting here with you. It's like I'm very feeling delighted.
Thank
So
you,
I want to ask something. Actually, recently I have been, I don't know how, offered lots of job opportunities, and I'm not able to decide on an energy level as to where to go, because somewhere the salary offered is being more, somewhere I have a connection with the field. I don't know, on an energy level I feel very distributed and fragmented all over the place. So how to deal with it and how to make a correct choice for my career?
So I tell you what, say supposing you have 3 options, okay? Before sleeping tonight, you think of one option and think about ye wala option lenge, then I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll do this, I'll do this. Okay, think, go ahead little bit, we call it future progression. Do a little bit on your own. You call it daydreaming also. Do it and then sleep and see how your sleep is. Next day, think about the second option. Future progression, sleep. How do you sleep? Whatever makes you sleep better, whatever makes you feel lighter. Body speaks. Remember, body will never lie. So whatever you feel lighter in body, go for that. That's your future.
Thank you so much for helping me out.
Yeah, do it. You'd love it. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. Anybody else? Any other question, Kavita?
So Namrata Bhatt is also asking something.
Namrata
Bhatt.
अरे नम्रता भट्ट के पास भी क्वेश्चन है. नम्रता अभी भी क्वेश्चंस बचे.
वही क्वेश्चन है. I've lost connection with hypnotherapy, but something or the other brings me back here. For a while, I've been thinking of starting with this again. From where do I start?
नम्रता, ये प्रॉब्लम उन लोगों को आती है जो हिप्नोथेरेपी को अपनी लाइफ से सेपरेट देखते हैं. Hypnotherapy is a word we use because it is a modality of therapy, but actually if you have done this course completely, hypnotherapy, whatever we teach, is a way of living a life, day-to-day life. It cannot be separated from you. You cannot lose touch with it. How can you lose touch with your own life? For example, people say Gita is a book, you have to read it to know. No, Gita is not a book. Gita is a way of living. It's a method of living. It cannot be away from you. That's a different story. It has been put in a book so that people can read it. Whatever they have lost touch with, they can get in touch with it again. But it's a way of living. Similarly, whatever you have learned in hypnotherapy, forget about the therapy. It's a way of living. This is a way of living through your mind. This is a way of living through your soul. How can you get out of it? And whenever you want, you can get in touch with it. See, today you are sitting here, you are in touch with it again.
Yes.
अरे भाई, जो सीख लिया वो भूलते थोड़ा ही है. जिंदगी की प्रैक्टिस में आता है. जो आप जिसे हिप्नोथेरेपी कह रहे हो, ये एक वर्ड हमने यूज किया, पर ये एक तरीका है जिंदगी जीने का, और आप उससे जुड़े होते हो. आप कब से कभी भी अलग नहीं हो सकता. Okay. Sneh, put your email ID and Kavita will guide you with everything. You'll get every answer on the email. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am, about the bardo, I would like to share something.
Yeah.
Like हमारे में जैसे चौथा करते हैं, रोते हैं कि okay, now you go, now you go. So it is that time when the bardo is open completely for the soul to
till
leave.
then.
Yeah, till then.
22 hours after the death. Yes.
Yes, and even then, if it doesn't leave, then again, of course, it gets chances. But then, if due to some certain desires, then they are stuck back, and then they are struggling with it.
Not only desires, any heavy energy.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Not only. So please believe. एक तो हम लोग को ये समझना जरूरी है स्नेह. Desire बहुत अच्छी चीज है. हमारा एसोसिएशन बहुत नेगेटिव है इसके संग. अगर आपके पास डिजायर टू लिव नहीं होगा तो आप ब्रीथ भी नहीं करोगे.
जी मैम, जी मैम. नो मैम, उन्होंने पूछा ना,
डिजायर, अगर हम डिजायर से अटैच हो जाते हैं, हेवीनेस वहां है, प्रॉब्लम वहां है. आदाबर से अंजू जी, अंजू सैनी, ठीक है.
हेलो.
यस ने, can you
हाँ
hear?
जी, good evening, ma'am. Yes, I can hear you, ma'am.
Oh, this is another Sneh. Sorry.
Yes, I am Sneh Arora. Dr.
I was
Rekha
answering
Chapra's
Sneh
sister.
Valecha.
तो मैम वो जो उन्होंने बार्डो का पूछा ना मैम, मैंने वो आंसर दिया कि हम चौथा इसीलिए रखते हैं कि the soul can go. तो this is also one very good.
तो 13th day तक सोल के फ्रेगमेंट्स पार्ट्स जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे अंदर जो भी वो है
energies, all the energies and all the levels of existence.
Come again?
All the levels of our existence.
Yeah.
They are there till the
हमारे levels के existence नहीं, हमारी जितनी भी अंदर के हम उर्दू में वर्ड होता है एहसास, हिंदी में how will I use this word, senses sort of, they all take one day. So that is why 13वीं तक हंगर जब खत्म होती है, that is why 13वीं में हम आकर भोग करते हैं, लोगों को खाना जो खिलाते हैं. That is an indication that the soul is getting an indication. Now forget about your hunger, because hunger body को लगती है. तो हम लोग उनके एक एक सेंसेस को 10वें दिन 11वें दिन इस तरीके से we do it. There was a reason for all the rituals to be made. Okay, so there is a reason why हर चौथे पे, चाहे वो हमारा रिलीजन हो या कोई भी रिलीजन हो, हम लाइट जरूर जलाते हैं. So चाहे दिया जलाओ, or you can put the candle, or you can put anything. That is indication to the soul that 48 hours, 72 hours are finishing. The door for the bardo will close now, so you please rush. Now, if you do not have very heavy energies like greed, energies like anger, energy of helplessness, energy of feeling victim, all this too much desire, greed, all these energies, when they are not with you, your soul, your spirit is very light. क्योंकि emotions की बहुत heavy energy होती है. Then it is easier for you to cross the bardo. इसीलिए जो लोग मेरे यहाँ पे students हैं, वो जानते हैं कि जब हम लोग therapies करते हैं, तो we only work on the emotion. We don't work on the event. We don't touch your memory. We only work on your emotions. Emotions को understand करो, light कर लो. जब emotions light हो जाएंगे तो बार्डो के क्रॉस जाना आसान हो जाता है. That's why I say Gita is a way of living. Gita prepares you to leave, to go across the bardo easily.
Very true, ma'am. Very well said, ma'am. Very true. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Any other questions? Or time over?
Sneh here, ma'am.
We are already half an hour.
Sneh Arora.
No, 5 to 7 it was. We have half an hour.
Sneh Arora?
Devanshi, Sneh, and Anisha. 3 people are there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can I
I'm
just speak
Sneha
for
Arora.
Sneha Arora, please? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, अगर if there is any issue के एक बच्चे को, एक daughter को, I'm talking about my daughter, I have 2 daughters. Young, अगर छोटी daughter को, she is not मतलब self created jealousy हो अपनी elder sister से और father से, और वो एक बहुत नेगेटिव इमोशन बनता जाए, तो हाउ उससे कैसे कोप अप करें?
So देखिए, जब बच्चे पैदा होते हैं ना, तो उनके अंदर कोई भी तरह की इमोशंस नहीं होते हैं, है ना? वो तो बहुत ही मजे से पैदा होते हैं, और उनकी कोई नीड नहीं होती, उनकी कोई ग्रीड नहीं होती है ना? आप देखिए, छोटे बच्चों को आप एक कटोरी दे दीजिए, एक चम्मच दे दीजिए, वो उससे भी खिलौना बना लेगा।
हाँ,
है ना? उसको लियो के खिलौने नहीं चाहिए, उसको हेमले के खिलौने चाहिए ही नहीं। ही इज वेरी हैप्पी बिकॉज दे बिलीव इन, inside there is a joy. They know how to get in touch with their own joy. Now whatever the child becomes is what he collects from his environment. The first environment for a child is the mother, second is the father, and then the family, and then school and friends and all those things come. Where has this child picked up, and why she has picked up? Jealousy in a small child is a coping mechanism. This is something, some other emotion is disturbing her, और उसने ये कोपिंग मैकेनिज्म के रूप में जेलसी को जन्म दिया है, सो दैट उसको हर्ट कम हो, पेन कम हो। आज मैं अभी एक क्लाइंट से बात कर रही थी, और उनसे मैं यही समझा रही थी, ऑफ कोर्स हम उनसे फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की भी बात कर रहे थे, मैं उनको यही समझा रही थी कि बच्चे तो प्योर सोल होती है। अब आप उसके अंदर, जैसा कि मैं समझा रही थी, गोभी डाल दीजिए, चाहे आप उसके अंदर आलू डाल दीजिए, जो पराठा बनाना अपने बच्चे का बना लीजिए। बच्चे आइडेंटिफाइड पेशेंट होते हैं, उनके अपने अंदर कुछ नहीं है, कुछ तो उन्होंने अपने पेरेंट्स से, एनवायरनमेंट से, फैमिली से, फ्रेंड्स से लिया है, जिसकी वजह से दे आर सफरिंग एंड नाउ दे आर शोइंग द सिम्टम्स। Kids only show the symptoms. They are identified patient. They are not the reason. The reason is in the family and the reason is in the environment. So checks ने कितना फर्क है दोनों बच्चों में?
The younger one is 20 years old, और बड़ी वाली she is 24.
She is
so 24 and छोटी वाली she is 20. So maybe
when do you have a son?
No.
Good. No. So no, I'm not saying good you don't have a son. I mean to say good. I have got to the issue. First child, when it is a girl, people are okay, very welcoming. कुछ भी हो जाए चलेगा, लड़का हो लड़की हो, बच्चा हेल्दी हो। सेकंड में अगर फर्स्ट डॉटर है तो सेकंड में शुरू हो जाता है, यार अब एक लड़का भी हो जाए तो कंप्लीट हो जाए फैमिली। अगर माँ के मन में नहीं है तो फादर बोल देगा, फादर के मन में नहीं तो नानी, दादी, मेड, कोई भी बोल देता है। द चाइल्ड एज अ सोल in your mother's womb is listening to it, and the soul knows I am the female child.
Okay.
तो दो चीजें करेगा, एक वो अपनी फीमेल को, फेमिनिज्म को रिजेक्ट कर देता है, वो लड़कियों की तरह कम और लड़कों की तरह बिहेव ज्यादा करने लगते हैं। ठीक है। Now when the girl is growing, the soul is growing and the soul is aware कि उसको वेलकम किया और मुझे इतना वेलकम नहीं मिला, naturally she will have jealousy and she'll have it right from the childhood, right? So if something like this is there, Sneh, in your own energy level, ask for forgiveness from that girl. Bring her image in front of you and say, I'm sorry, I rejected you, but today I am accepting you, I'm so sorry, whatever you have to say. आपको पता है आपका बच्चा है, क्या आपको बोलना है, बोलिए उसको, और एनर्जी लेवल पे 21 डेज तक। और सेकेंडली go to the deepest this thing, where is this jealousy coming from? कब ऐसा हुआ कि बड़ी को और छोटी के बीच में डिफरेंस पालने में था?
नहीं, हमारी तरफ से नहीं था, मे बी एनवायरनमेंट की तरफ से हो सकता है।
चेक हो नहीं सकता है, यू नो इट है, इट्स इन द फैमिली, कहीं से आया है, चेक कहाँ से आया है, वॉट एवर इट इज। We will definitely, there are type of, where do you stay, Sneh?
Ashok Vihar.
Oh, you are in here only ना? अच्छा, तो उसकी तो मौसी है ना,
रेखा
रेखा,
चोपड़ा.
उनसे बोलो to work on her.
ठीक.
He knows how to work on her. Tell her to work on her. If not, then you let me know. Then I'll put you on to some other student of mine. Everybody is doing online work these days.
No, I've told her many times that let's go to Rekha Masi's house and we can solve
Maybe
the
because
problem,
she
but
will
she's
not go to
agreeing.
Rekha because she's a part of family.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will put you on to any other of my student, and nowadays it doesn't mean that you have to be in the person has to be in West Delhi. It can be with anybody else. आजकल तो सब online कर रहे हैं. So online.
I'll try to convince her with Rekha ji. उनसे ही मैं try करूँगी. I'll try.
होगा
to
नहीं, वैसे
convince her
family
with
से
Rekha.
बहुत मुश्किल है. Rekha is aware. Family में बहुत मुश्किल है because she can't open up ना. अंदर जो है उसके subconscious mind में वो तो निकलेगा ही नहीं. है ना, तो वो आप उसको किसी और के पास ऑनलाइन करवाइए और उसके चाइल्डहुड में जिस समय जिस मोमेंट के ऊपर उसके अंदर जेलसी आई है, जिस इवेंट की वजह से उसका एक इनर चाइल्ड है दैट नीड्स टू बी सॉर्टेड, वो निकल जाएगा तो द चाइल्ड विल बी फाइन, योर डॉटर विल बी फाइन. ओके, या,
थैंक यू सो मच.
यू आर वेलकम. एनीबॉडी एल्स? Devanshi, I saw her getting unmuted. Yes, Devanshi?
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Good, Devanshi. Very well. Tell me.
Ma'am, how to stop yourself when you find the pattern is being repeated?
Come again, how to stop yourself?
Yes, when you find the pattern being repeated. So I always feel I am on a constant search for love. Like this is something which I've always felt. And there was this guy who came and it took me 2 years to get over him. Then another guy came and now there is somebody else. And I feel that the same pattern is being repeated again. I don't want, because even consciously I am aware of this, but subconsciously, the things are.
Devanshi, are you my student? Because I know there are so many Devanshis there. Are you my student by any chance?
No, ma'am.
You are not my student because there are 2-3 Devanshis who are my students. So I just, और face दिख नहीं रहा ना तो मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा है, क्योंकि अगर आप मेरे स्टूडेंट हो तो मैं आपको डिफरेंटली समझाऊंगी और अगर आप नहीं हो तो फिर मैं डिफरेंटली समझाऊंगी. या देवांशी, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड फ्यू थिंग्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो चीज तुम्हारी ऑरा में नहीं है, जो चीज तुम्हारी ऑरा में नहीं है वो कभी भी तुम्हारी लाइफ में नहीं आएगी. ओके, सिंस जो आपके ऑरा में कोई एक इवेंट एज अ चाइल्ड आपकी लाइफ में जब हो जाता है तो आप उसको बिलीव करने लगते हो कि ऐसा ही सब हमेशा होता है. एंड देन द पैटर्न रिपीट्स बिकॉज वॉट एवर यू बिलीव यू सी, है ना, whatever you believe, that's what you see, and therefore you will see the same pattern coming again and again and again. So it is your contribution in your relationships which is bringing the same pattern again and again. Withdraw your contribution, change your belief system. जितने भी लोगों ने आपको अभी तक चीट किया, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अंडरस्टैंड करिए उन्होंने आपको क्या सिखाया, व्हाट हैव यू लर्न फ्रॉम देम, एंड देन फॉरगिव देम. एक तो इससे आपका ऑरा क्लेंजिंग हो जाएगा, आपके ऑरा में से चीटिंग का वो निकल जाएगा. ठीक है, एक तो आप ये करिए. सेकेंडली, आपका क्या कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है, आपने लाइफ में कब किसको चीट किया, क्या अपने को किया. और छोटी छोटी चीजें हम अपने दोस्तों को चीट कर देते हैं. अच्छा तेरे घर में शाम को आऊंगी, and now the friend is waiting, you don't go there. The friend feels you have cheated me, and if she says you cheated on me, you told me you will come tomorrow, in the evening, you did not come. Good enough for your mind to believe I'm a cheater. And as a child हम बहुत जल्दी दूसरों की एनर्जी पिक करते हैं. तो as a child तुमने मान लिया कि I'm a cheater, now you will only attract cheaters in your life. चीटिंग से आपका क्या रिश्ता है, बचपन से अभी तक देखिए, चेक करिए और अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन विड्रॉ करिए. जिस दिन आप अपनी एनर्जी विड्रॉ कर लेंगे, चीटर्स आने, पैटर्न्स बनने बंद हो जाएंगे. पैटर्न्स इनर चाइल्ड की वजह से बनते हैं. ओके, और इनर चाइल्ड हमारी लाइफ के बचपन के एक्सपीरियंसेस जो ट्रॉमेटिक होते हैं उससे बनते हैं. So when I was talking to Sneh just now, that's what I was telling her. Change, go and heal her inner child. Inner child of jealousy कहाँ से आ रही है? There's a child in her. That is what I'm telling you also. If you want, do the inner child work, find out. And if you're not my student, then you can contact Kavita Bhargav, put your email address, and she will tell you how much we work a lot on inner child work. And they're very, very cheap and self work. किसी को ज्यादा देने की जरूरत नहीं, सीखो, लर्न करो और अपने को हील करो, पैटर्न खत्म करो. Okay, this is a special program we have taken out for people who cannot afford too much for therapies, but I want them to heal themselves still. Everybody has a right to heal themselves, and for them we have got this inner child work, which is self work. पर फिर क्या कि अगर आप मनी इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हो तो फिर आप टाइम एनर्जी को इन्वेस्ट करिए. It takes time, but it heals you thoroughly inside out. Work on that. Kavita, will you please put your email address and phone number over there so that people can...
I am in contact with Kavita ma'am.
You are in contact with her. Well, excellent. So this will be helpful. Otherwise ये पैटर्न आता रहेगा, बिलीव यही होगा. देखिए ऐसा है कि हम लोगों की जो शुरू हुई थी कल्चर और हमारा what is the word I want to use? I'm forgetting. I'm so bad forgetting this thing. हमारा जो नहीं, culture is not the word I'm using. What do you call it, Kavita? जो मोहनजोदड़ो की civilization. Sorry. Yeah. सभ्यता सामने बैठी और समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. So जो हमारी सभ्यता है, हमारा civilization जब शुरू हुआ था, उस समय भी हम लोगों का थॉट प्रोसेस था whatever you believe you can see, and that is the reason हमारे ऋषि और जो पुराने आदि मानव थे वो जिस चीज पे विश्वास करते थे वो उसको देख लेते थे. ऐसे हाथ करते थे, फूल आ जाता था उनके हाथ में. They think of fool and the flower is there. Why the flower is there in their hand? Why? Simply because the energy, जो कि बाद में आइंस्टाइन ने बोला E is equal to mc square, एनर्जी को मैटर में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं स्क्वायर टाइम पीरियड ऑफ द स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट. वही तो कर रहे थे हमारे एनर्जी थॉट की थी, उसको कन्वर्ट कर लेते थे मैटर में, फूल सामने हाथ में आ जाता था. दैट इज वेयर वी आर फ्रॉम. ये हमारे यहाँ, इसके हम वंशज है, ये हमारे अंदर पोटेंशियल है, हमेशा से था. हमने इसको खत्म कर दिया और हमारा बहुत खूबसूरती के संग सिस्टमैटिकली इसको खत्म किया जब अंग्रेज आए और उन्होंने बोला कि एक ही तरीका है इंडिया को जीतने का, इनकी स्टडी का तरीका बदल दो, एजुकेशन सिस्टम बदल दो. और उन्होंने क्या किया, कन्वर्ट कर दिया. उन्होंने कहा ओनली सी व्हाट बिलीव इन व्हाट यू सी, और उसे साइंस का नाम दे दिया. जैसे आज शिवानी पूछ रही थी हमसे कि बार्डो क्या हम जानते हैं, देयर इज एनी प्रूफ? ये साइंस है. साइंस हर चीज का प्रूफ मांगता है और हमारे को प्रूफ की जरूरत नहीं है. हमारी कॉन्शियसनेस इतनी हाई लेवल पे है कि हम जिस चीज को बिलीव करते थे वो देख लेते थे. अब हम हर उस चीज के ऊपर बिलीव करते हैं जिसे हम देखते हैं. तो एनर्जी तो खत्म, एनर्जी पे विश्वास खत्म. सो प्लीज अपना विश्वास दोबारा बनाइए अपने ऊपर. Believe that you are very well protected in all your relationships in this universe, and you will be surprised to see pattern change हो जाएगा.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. I can see hand raise of Sagar.
Hello.
Yeah, hi Sagar. You want to ask a question, beta?
Yeah. Hi, Neerja ma'am. Hearing you from the last couple of minutes, I joined in late. Great session. A couple of interesting points you made. I've never known about a lot of things which you spoke about, right? See, I have a very specific problem.
Yeah, tell me.
How do I tackle multiple threads of overthinking? Because that is what is affecting my productivity at a huge level. Yeah. I don't know where it is coming from, but every time I want to do something, my threads of overthinking supersedes everything, and I just want to solve them first. Those things become the most important things, yeah. Right? And I know of the causes as well, but not to a very great extent. How do I get to address these?
So let me just clarify the concept, why it is happening, and then you people are young people, you will know what to do. First of all, please understand, Sagar, what is your date of birth?
So I'm actually asking this question for my sister, right?
Okay. So what is the year that she was born in?
2000.
2000.
Right.
So after millennium. Okay. Which means she is a child of new consciousness.
Right.
Right? The new consciousness is a consciousness which has no judgments, which has multiple strands in their DNA. They are not 2 chromosomes or 2 strands DNA. These are the people who are using that 97% of their DNA, जिसे इससे पहले रशियंस ने क्रैप बताया था कि ये बेकार है, 97 बेकार है, हम 3% पे ही काम कर रहे हैं. ठीक है. Now ये जो नई कॉन्शियसनेस के बच्चे हैं वो यूज कर रहे हैं. और इसलिए they are sensitive towards other people's issues. इसीलिए आप देखिए जितने आजकल के बच्चे हैं, their connection with the underdogs is too much. जो कमजोर है उसका साथ दो, है ना? जजमेंट नहीं है उनके अंदर. उनके लिए हमारे अंदर है कि हम अगर मुझे आज किसी ने मैंने किसी को अपने बर्थडे पे बुलाया, कोई नहीं आया, नेक्स्ट टाइम उसके बर्थडे पे मैं क्यों जाऊं?
Right.
आज की कॉन्शियसनेस के बच्चे इस तरह से नहीं सोचते हैं. देयर इज एब्सोल्युटली नो ईगो. मैंने बर्थडे पे बुलाया, उसको नहीं मैं आ पाया, उसकी प्रॉब्लम थी, कोई प्रॉब्लम हो गया, एक्सेप्टेड, मेरे पास टाइम है, मैं चली जाती हूँ. उनके अंदर ईगो नहीं है. अब क्या है, ये नई कॉन्शियसनेस के बच्चे हैं. इनको पाल कौन रहा है? हमारे जैसे पुरानी कॉन्शियसनेस के बच्चे. तो हमारे पालने में, क्योंकि हम लोग हम लोगों को कैसे, जैसे कि हमारी मदर फादर की जो जनरेशन थी उसको पाला गया कॉन्स्पिरेशन से. दे ओनली अंडरस्टैंड कॉन्स्पिरेशन, नथिंग एल्स दे अंडरस्टैंड. कि कॉन्स्पिरेशन से पाला गया है क्योंकि उनके आसपास उस समय सारे वर्ल्ड में कॉन्स्पिरेसीज के अलावा कुछ नहीं चल रहा था. तो दैट इज इन देयर एनर्जी. हमारे को प्रेस्पिरेशन से पाला गया. एक ही चीज सिखाई गई, मेहनत करो तो फल मिलेगा, मेहनत करोगे तो फल मिलेगा, मेहनत करोगे तो फल मिलेगा. आजकल की जो कॉन्शियसनेस है वो इंस्पिरेशन से पलती है. जो इंस्पायर करेगी वो मैं करूंगा. आपको लगता है कि मुझे इंजीनियर बनना, आईआईटी भेजना है, तो आप भेज दो जबरदस्ती. मैं आईआईटी में पढ़कर भी आऊंगा या आऊंगी तो भी मेरा अगर मन करेगा एक कॉफी का ठेला लगाने का, तो मैं कॉफी का ठेला ही लगाऊंगी या लगाऊंगा. दिस इज न्यू जनरेशन. जो इंस्पायर करेगा वो करूंगा. सो पाल रहा है ओल्ड कॉन्शियसनेस, पल रहा है नया कॉन्शियसनेस, एंड दैट इज वेयर द डिफरेंस इज, एंड दैट इज क्रिएटिंग स्ट्रेस इन द किड्स. ये नई कॉन्शियसनेस के बच्चे, इनके मल्टीपल स्ट्रैंड्स हैं, इनके पास मल्टीपल थॉट्स हैं. बट द मोमेंट एज अ चाइल्ड व्हेन दे आर ग्रोइंग अप, दे हैव मल्टीपल थॉट्स. हम पुरानी कॉन्शियस वाले इसको दबा देते. वी से नो. सो व्हेन अ चाइल्ड इज थिंकिंग, okay, I am doing ABCD, but mom, I want to learn Spanish also. My friend is learning Spanish, I want to learn. And the mother will immediately say, no, first finish one work, then we will think about this. First learn your alphabets. The child is prepared to learn Spanish, French, English, Hindi, Sanskrit, everything in one go. That's the new consciousness. But we feel no, one by one, finish this, then finish, show me the result. If the result is good, you have done your alphabets English better, then I will put you Spanish alphabets. When you have done that, so we are the one who have been stopping them from multitasking and multi-thinking, because you can't do multitasking if you do not have multi-thoughts. Now the child, instead of taking it as her positive potential, child feels something is wrong with me. I'm not supposed to have multiple thoughts. Of course you're supposed to have multiple thoughts. Of course you can handle. You are 2000 ka bachcha, yeah, she's only what, 21. They can handle. Allow them. Tell them there is nothing wrong in it. And if because of multiple thoughts, the result is not the result that you're wanting it, it's okay. Don't get attached to the result. She wants to do 10 things, good, do 10 things. If the result, she's not best in any one thing, doesn't matter. ये तो हम पेरेंट्स का थॉट प्रोसेस है, हम लोगों का एनवायरनमेंट का, सोसाइटी का थॉट प्रोसेस है that the person should be expert in doing what they are doing. They should be perfect. Why? Whatever we are doing is an experience, yaar. Just take it as an experience. Just take it as an experience. Don't take it as a, no, the result has to be there. Why should the result be there? No need. Because what I think is the best cannot be the best. Every soul has their own journey. If the father is an IAS officer, why should the son be IAS officer also? Not needed. He is happy playing guitar. Let him play. At least he's enjoying. We are here to evolve and enjoy life. है ना? हम लोग बांध देते हैं बच्चों के माइंड को. Don't do that. Don't do it with your kids. ये नई कॉन्शियसनेस के बच्चे हैं. Just allow them to do what they want.
Ma'am, and what about the multi relationships they are getting into now? Is that also fine?
Everything is fine according to me. I don't know who asked the question, but whoever it is. But
Sneh, ma'am. Sneh Walecha.
Sneh Walecha. Okay, yeah. Yeah. What are multiple relationships?
Like now they don't
you have
want
to teach your child to respect their body. If you will respect the body of your child, the child will learn to respect their bodies. By hitting a child, by punishing their bodies, we do not show the respect to their bodies. And if you will not show the respect to their bodies, these children will have no respect for their bodies. There is nothing wrong. You can sleep with 10 people. What is wrong in it? But the point is this, whenever you sleep with a person, you pick up their energies. So if you sleep with 10 people, there are 10 energies inside you. Your own energy will lose way. And that is what is bad. That is what will not let you reach to your goal. That is why in our culture or in the civilization, the whole story of monogamy came. Okay? So, इसको समाज के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से मत लीजिए, लोग क्या कहेंगे, इसको एनर्जी के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अंडरस्टैंड करिए. Understand it through the point of view of energy. Okay? Now that is, so understand the reason why it was not correct. Aajkal, yes, definitely multiple relationship of the new generation is happening. But you have to also understand we are at the ascension period. The energy of the earth is, the vibration of the earth is moving from 7.8 hertz to now sometimes 19 and sometimes 18, 20 hertz is also being noticed. Which means the energy of the earth is shifting. The Yug Parivartan is coming. And this, after this, the energy level of the earth will be very high. So we all, हम सब जो बुजुर्ग लोग जाने वाले हैं, वो फिर से जब जन्म लेंगे, तो higher level of energy में हम लोग जन्म लेंगे. इस वजह से जितना भी हमारा कार्मिक पीछे से आ रहा है baggage, we are completing it. Okay, we are finishing it. Now what is happening is, because this is the period to finish it, जिन से हमने कार्मिक promises किए वो सब खत्म कर रहे हैं. That is why children are having so many of this thing. अब होता क्या, मैंने एक जने से शादी की, 7 जन्म आपके संग, I will be with you for 7 births. I'll take care of you for 7 births. I will be with you. Yeah. Then next life you get married to somebody else, 7 birth वहां भी promise कर दिया. फिर किसी और को भी 3rd लाइफ में प्रॉमिस कर दिया. अभी सब इकट्ठे हो गए, मेरा कंप्लीट करो. And that is why a lot of flings are happening, lot of affairs are happening. Energy low, जाओ, karmic closing. That is also the reason why a lot of extra marital affairs are happening these days. I'm not saying it is right or wrong. I am not making any judgment. I'm telling you why and how it is happening. That's all.
Yes, ma'am, I can understand now.
Yeah, decision has to be taken, but yes, definitely if you teach the younger generation to respect their bodies and explain them how so many energies can affect your own energy, and it can be deterrent to you to achieve what you have come to achieve or evolve what you have come to evolve, then they will definitely take care of their bodies. बाकी relationship emotions है, ठीक है, doesn't matter. Let them finish their promises. It's okay. Every relationship they are in is teaching them something. It's making them better.
Very nice. Neerja ma'am, so I wanted to ask something else as well, right? There is a
Yeah, sure.
linked question to this. So how do you deal with this in the current situation? The threads of overthinking, right? So I think we navigated from the topic a little bit. I wanted to understand the overthinking bit, right? How do we solve that? Can that
Point
be
is this, why
calculated?
do you want to solve it? That's what I was trying to tell you, the concept. No need to solve it. Just watch it. All the threads that are coming to you, just watch them. You don't know which thread of your thought can take you where it is. So if you have multiple threads of thoughts, just watch it. Don't reject it. Don't think it is something wrong. Don't think it is something bad. Accept it. This is how it is. And then slowly, you will, once you have accepted it, once you have understood it, what it is, then slowly start choosing. Okay, I have 20 threads. Today I'm going to work on at least 5 of them. I'm just going to think only these 5. तो धीरे धीरे curtail करोगे. Tomorrow, and tell rest of the threads that the moment the thought comes, tell them, okay, tomorrow is your turn. I'm going to work on you. But today, these 5 thoughts for me. This is how you will not reject your threads. If you will not reject anything, if you will accept everything, इसे को हमारे यहाँ पहले कहते थे दृष्टा भाव से देखो. तो आप अगर उस तरह से देख सकोगे, it will help you hell of a lot.
Ma'am, even if those threads are related to past traumas, would that...
Then you need to work on the inner child. Definitely, then you need to work on the, if it is a past traumas, that is what we call inner child work. And yes, then I would suggest your sister to contact Kavita and join the inner child work, which is self-work.
Got it, ma'am. Got it. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your time. Appreciate it.
You are more than welcome. Not an issue. Anybody else, any question or?
Ma'am, is the same applicable on someone who is born in 1999?
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, बेटा कोई भी overnight एक समय में थोड़ी बदल जाता है. कस्प तो होता ही है ना. It takes time. The shift comes percentage wise. But yeah, definitely children after 2000 or 98, 99, 2000, after that, they're absolutely multi strand kids. Rakesh, lights jala do. Yeah. Yeah.
So Anisha Rana, she's saying, ma'am, when you were speaking about cheating, you said forgive yourself if you cheated yourself, so that cheating is in same form or other. Also, what about people who choose to stay with person instead of leaving?
Absolutely karmic. Absolutely karmic. They have yet not finished their learnings. The day they will finish the learning with that person who is cheating on you, they will move on. Even the person will move on or you will move on. But you have to learn your contribution in it. What is your contribution in attracting a person who is cheating on you? Okay.
Thank you.
Very karmic. Yeah. Yeah, Kavita.
That's all from the chat box and the personal messages.
Great. Excellent audience. Because
I have one question, ma'am. Can I ask, ma'am?
Yeah, I will come back to you. But I was just saying 6:54. What good audience. They have relieved me today exactly at the time. But yeah, one question. Who is it? Shiv Kumar? Who is asking this question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It was, yeah, Shiv Kumar, ma'am. I am only asking.
Yeah,
I wanted your speech and your talk is really excellent and with all useful and practical tips, which will improve the life of a person where he is stuck, ma'am. So similarly, ma'am, I have 2 issues.
Yeah.
With my own kids, you know. Now I realize that my both kids, they are not happy with me because maybe when I was during their when they were young, schooling and other times, so that time I have done some damages to them. Maybe they feel it is a damage, but I wanted to correct them, at that period of point of time.
Yeah, sure,
Like
sure.
they should not go into bad habits or no movement. Out of my own curiosity and all, as a parent, I made them to run in a right way, but they think that it is a torture to them. So now, now those things they remember, that is deep seated in their mind. How to remove
How
that?
old are they?
Now my daughter, she is 30 years and son is 25.
They both can contact Kavita and she will put them into inner child work, self work. There
Yeah,
has to be, we have to work through the inner child work. That's the only way out.
Right, ma'am. Only inner child, na, ma'am. Yeah, that's what my son is also. What I feel, he is not coming out of whatever the guilt he is feeling. The what damage I did to him during his school days and all. So that I will definitely contact them.
Yeah, and with the new knowledge that and understanding that you have got now, just try to change yourself as much as now, because they are big boys, big girls. Yeah, allow them to be big, allow them to be adult, but it doesn't mean कि एकदम से हाथ हटा लीजिए, but tell them, okay, I have understood what I have done has given you pain and I'm sorry for it. Make them sit down together in front of you and tell them, and I'm sorry for it. I did whatever I did because of my limited knowledge. I have got better knowledge now, and therefore from now onwards I release you. I let you people live whatever you want to do, but always remember, whenever you need me, I will be available.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Really, this is a very soothing and a good solution to tackle with them right now, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome, Shiv Kumar.
Awesome, ma'am. Awesome.
Thank you so much. Thanks a ton. We will meet. We meet every month. Once, generally it is the third Sunday of every month. So we meet again. A very, very happy Holi to you people. And Mohini, you don't go, you stay back. And Rashmi, you also stay back. Rashmi Chawla.
Happy Holi, ma'am.
Happy Holi to all of you. Anju, you stay back. All right, and see you all. Kavita, to of course.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You are welcome, all of you, and we'll see you again next month. Thank you, Dindyati. Maria, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Maria.
Thank you, ma'am, and happy Holi.
Bye-bye.